Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the GAN 356XS. This is the GAN cube, a speed cube that you can go to competitions and speed cube with. I like this cube. So this is a magnetic cube. It has all the magnets. I really like the design on this box. Yep, as you can see, it kind of gives you a metallic look for the magnets and also the designs. This is GAN 356XS. So let's just get unboxing the sweet marvel. Okay, so we'll use a utility knife. Let's open the sellotape and see the great design. OMG, I love this, I don't know, card or something. So this is the GAN XS card. I really don't know what the use is. Let's just put aside. And then, for safety, close the knife and use adult supervision. Okay, so next we have the main part, the cube. Okay, so let's just, before we go into the Rubik's Cube, let's just see what do you call that? Okay, I forgot that word, so let's just see what else the cube has. So it has a booklet for how to solve a GAN cube. Interesting, but I know how to solve it. We have a GAN cube. What do you call that? Leaflet. Yeah, leaflet that shows you how to use the GAN cube. Okay, so we don't need that too. We have a special bag. So it says GAN, your ultimate PB renewer. So personal best renewer. Also, we have this card. I don't know why we need the card, but let's just put aside some custom centers. So you can change the centers for the cube. So and finally, for adjusting the core, you can use this. Wow, I'm so stuck on the screwdriver. Yeah, a 3-leg screwdriver, I guess. 3-legged screwdriver. So that's it in the box. So put that aside. And now let's go on to the main part. Oh yeah, cube. So I love it. I love it when it. Wait, how did I even open the box in the first way? Let me just close it. Okay, so I love the box, the plastic box, so you can keep your cube safe. And this kind of square thing is for making your cube stand, so you could just pop in the box and then keep it as a stand. So let's just check. I think this is how you open it. So you see this little groove, this circle. It says GAN, but I don't think you can see it. It actually says GAN, and then you just press it, and then it opens. So you press it, and then it opens, and we don't need the box. So that's how you open the box. And here is the GAN cube. Wow, I'm so impressed. Let's open the cover. Okay, yeah, we got the cover open. Now, OMG. This is the GAN cube, everyone. So here, it does soft turns. me just scramble it. Okay, so we got a scrambled cube, and yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick solve to see how it works. So how well it works. Yeah. So right now I'm doing the cross. Now I need to do F12. So start. Yeah. No, it doesn't fit that. Good. Okay, yeah, this is the place. Okay, now write F12 pair. So we got our first F12 pair. That doesn't quite work. Yeah, this works. Now the F12 pair completed, so right now I'm doing CFOP. Now final F12 pair, I need to make that. So wait, yep. Get that. Okay, yep. Matched it. And yeah, done the second layer, F12. Now here, F. Okay, now F IL from U prime, IL from U prime, IL from U prime. There. Okay, that's solved. Okay, now here U prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Okay, so that's the cube completed. So here it is, the GAN symbol. And that's it, guys, for the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and see you in my next videos. And also watch the video where I solve the GAN cube. Okay, ciao, bye.